You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. I think I always say that. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. What else can I say? Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. I appreciate you stopping by. It means a lot to me because every view matters, right? This is the Gummy Sushi. Now, I showed this in a previous video with a bunch of other candy, and I was intrigued really by those. I can't tell if it's a hard candy or a soft candy. They are the Gummy Ikura, I believe. Candy Nigiri, Gummy Uramaki, Gummy Koikuchi, I don't know, Candy California Rolls. I don't know. I may not pronounce them right, but I'm going to eat them. So that's all that matters. And this is from Raindrops. Enjoy the adventure. I've tried a bunch of their candy. It says soft assorted candy mix, so maybe they are soft, but there's a hard plastic cover, kind of like a bento box in a way, isn't it? You got the tray and that over it. There's nutritional facts and any other information if you want to try to zoom in on that. I don't know. That's up to you. Let's get this out of the package. And as you know, I always cut the package from the back very carefully so I can save it. Maybe for a thumbnail. I don't know. This packaging not as cool as other packaging, but let's just see. Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, there's my tray. Now, one would say, well, bring in some chopsticks. I'm not going to do that. Let's just eat the candy. Oh, you're stuck. So let's just get those unstuck. There's the lid. Ooh, the smell of sugar just popped right into my senses. There it is. Extreme close-up. And that's something there. It's just really dark like the packaging. Alright, so those they show in a little cup. You see that? Now, maybe that's how it's served originally. I don't see any little cup. There's nothing in the tray here. But these two are this one. Koikuchi. You tell me. Urumaki, that's this one. Ikura is this one. Oh yeah, let's see. Okay, so they are soft, and the texture is really fun. Candy California Rolls. They look like a marshmallow inside. And then this one is a gummy on top, which then looks like a marshmallow. And it's a two-colored gummy, now that I saw the bottom of it. Now let's try that, since I'm playing with it. And yeah, it's a soft marshmallow with a gummy. Ooh, this is going to be good. Let me bring the camera back a little bit. All right. This is very marshmallowy. This, I'm going to say, is a hard to chew, hurting my jaw gummy. Don't take a big bite like that with that one. Ooh. Now, I found this at a little vacay in a candy shop. So as you're chewing this, the soft part breaks apart and you could swallow it, but you're still stuck with that. Very hard. I'm still trying to break through it. Okay, I finally broke it. If I was going to compare that to a steak like I normally do, that's well done. Chewy. All right, let's stay away from this one and this right now. Let's go to this. This seems softer, but maybe not. Almost looks like it has the covering of a raspberry. Okay, it's really hard. Now, if you notice, this kind of shows like a purple one and a red one. I only got red. If you've got a weak jaw, or if you don't like the sound of chewing, this is not the video for you. And my mouth is closed, and I'm about a foot away. But, you know, cameras have good microphones, and they pick things up. Okay, another very hard one. Nice, almost raspberry flavor, I think. Let's see, let's stretch this out, see what we have here. So they give you two strands. They're kind of twisted. They're kind of a sticky, kind of wet feel to them. Let's just rip it off and try it. Okay, that's much softer. It breaks apart. Easier to chew. Okay, out of the three, I like this one the best for flavor, and I like that one the best for consistency. I know I'm most intrigued about these. I'll save that for last. All right, let's try. Take a bite of each. The green. So this looks like a very soft. It's got sugary. I touch it and my fingertips are now all sticky. Mm-hmm. Very nice. Easy to chew. Getting a paper towel. It's very sweet. It's sweeter than anything else I've eaten so far. Right, let's give this one a bite. Can I tell the flavor? No. Too much sugar in my mouth now. That's a close second to that. But I'm not a huge marshmallow fan. Alright, so we're going to save that. Let's do this one. So this is a gummy bear inside a gummy ring. And he's tucked in there real nice. I'm going to make it the way I think it should have been presented, like that. So you see the gummy. Let's take a bite of him. The outside gummy is very soft. The inside gummy is just like these and this. Hard to chew. So as you're chewing, this green one dissipates. And you're stuck with this one. Ah, my jaw. My nose is watering now. I don't know why. Just all the chewing and stress on my... Wow. Okay, here we go. I don't know if I should take a bite. I squish it and I feel it's hard, but it's such an interesting feeling. Ooh. It's got little bumps all over it. Okay, not as hard as the other ones. But there's these really cool, crunchy little balls on the outside. So it's clear. It's very aromatic, like a perfume flavor. It looks clear, and then the little beads on the outside are almost like the hard candy. Kind of like a Nerds. Okay, so what do I like the best? I like this the best. Then these. Then these. Probably then this one. And these two last. These three kind of all meet at the end. But I like this the best because it was just easy to chew. No marshmallow. Flavor was good. I mean, it's all fruit flavored. But as to exactly what fruit, it's hard to tell now because when you eat so much sugar and you've got so many different flavors, your taste buds tend to go crazy. And then these have crispy sugar coatings, these three. And then overall, I think I do like the consistency of the crunch on that one. You've got the little soft inside and all the little bits on the outside. Very nice. Have you had this before? Would I suggest it? I would. I would say give it a try if you can come across it. I forgot what I paid for it, though. I think it was expensive. More than I normally want to pay just for candy. Ah, look, I'm sniffling now. All the chewing in my jaw and my teeth. Now, when I make videos like this, after I'm done, I brush my teeth. Always brushing my teeth because I want my teeth to stay strong. So make sure you do that when you eat candy. All right, there you go. I did it. The Raindrops Gummy Sushi. Let me know what you think. I've done a bunch of other candy sushi kits. Let me see. I'm just curious. Let me go to the YouTube channel and just type in Gummy Sushi. Sushi candy. That might get me more results. Search. Okay, so sniffling. There's this mini candy sushi bento. with 23,000 views. Candy marshmallow, assorted marshmallow gummies. It kind of looks like sushi rolls. Sushi Rement. Yummy Nummies Candy Sushi Maker. The Mahi Sushi and Cookie Gummy Set. Sweet Sushi Candy Making Kit. 100,000 views. Remember those days? 2.9 million views. Now that one only had 11,000. That was kind of like my average. I tried to explain that in a recent video. So there's quite a few different sushi videos in here. If you can check those out, I'd appreciate it. They're probably all in the Japanese candy playlist, which is where I'll probably put this. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it. Later!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.